Every month, data on new job creation and labor market statistics are eagerly awaited by many. But where does this data come from? The Department of Labor of the United States government, through the Bureau of Labor Statistics, is responsible for publishing the report. Summary of employment situation. For certain sectors, this data is a signal to follow. But who are the ones looking for the signal? It is followed by economists, congressmen, also the media, investors, some unions, or even the general public. What do they use this information for? For example, economists and market analysts use this data to understand economic and labor trends, make projections, and advise companies and governments, legislators and public policymakers to make informed decisions on economic and labor policies. Journalists and media outlets are waiting to inform the public about the economic and labor situation. Investors and companies to make investment and strategic decisions. Unions and worker organizations because they want to understand working conditions and negotiate wages and benefits. Of the general public, many people follow these statistics to understand the health of the economy and the labor market. But what is the problem with the market reacting and sometimes being guided by this data? Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) preliminary data on non-farm payroll employment is regularly reviewed to improve its accuracy. These revisions may reflect significant changes in employment trends and seasonal adjustments. For example, the preliminary data published for the month of January 2024 reflected 353,000 new jobs generated. However, after its review they decreased to 229,000, that is, 124,000 fewer jobs, or a percentage reduction of 35%. In February, this reduction was 77,000 jobs, 28%, and March contributed another reduction of 33,000 jobs, 11% less. We are talking about 234,000 fewer jobs in the first quarter of 2024, or what is the same? A reduction of 25% when comparing preliminary data with revised data, and if we compare the accumulated data from November 2023 to March 2024, that is, 5 months, the cumulative reduction is 299,000 and a percentage of 22%. In April 2024, payroll employment increased by 175,000. And the unemployment rate remained relatively stable at 3.9%. These figures are still preliminary and may change as more data becomes available. We don't know how much, but the change may alter the interpretation of labor market trends. It is crucial for analysts and decision makers to understand these reviews to correctly interpret labor market trends. The reviews can provide a more accurate picture of the health of the labor market and can influence economic policy decisions. Additionally, reviews can have an impact on market expectations and investment decisions.